Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I prep my flexi hand and getting ready for a brand new design. Usually I take it off the stand and I wash it under the water with soap and some brushes. Today and a lot of times I just clean it off with some alcohol and some lint-free wipes. As you may already know, the silicone hand does collect a lot of dust and it's tough to clean it off with just a dust brush. I make sure I have all the residues from whether gel, acrylic, glue off of the nail beds, and once I'm completed with cleaning it properly, I will show you how I apply the tips. Now it's time to apply the tips that go inside the nail beds. That is your base before applying any other extensions or any gluing on any tips. I have these, they're like peach color, but they're more like natural nail bed colors. I wouldn't use them for a regular design and gluing this on to your fingers, as they are very slim and thin. I might actually try it out and see if it works, but they work very well with the Flexihand. So as you may see, when I do apply them, I make sure the size is correct, and I have a tendency of squeezing two of the sides of the finger around the nail bed and the cuticle area to insert the tip. It goes in much easier and smoother, and it goes all the way inside. As you may see in the middle finger, I showed you how I did it without actually pressing on the side walls of the finger, and I had a hard time inserting the fingertip. Once you press the side walls, everything goes in smooth, and once that's done, you are ready to file it and do your extensions. Now this is one of my favorite nail files. I buy it on Amazon. I love it. I love the 100-180 grit. I've been using this since it probably came out, since I found it, which was a few months ago, and I will not go back to any other files. So you just basically prep that tip as you may have been doing it on a regular person. File the sides, shape it to your liking, and I guess that's about it. So now that you are done filing and shaping the natural nails, it's time to dust it off. I use a basic brush. I usually spray with a little bit of alcohol on it just to clean the dust off more perfectly, and also sanitize it at the same time. After you complete that, it's time to apply your nail tips or your nail forms, depending on the design that you are looking to do. So this is what it looks like with the nail tips. It's not have been filed nor shaped yet. That's coming up, and I'll show you how I file and shape to a coffin shaped nails. So now I just cut the sides. You may also see that my nail clippers are flat. They're not rounded, they're flat. I will show you in the end the shape exactly for a close-up. You don't use the rounded ones because you're just going to mess up the shaping of it. You buy nail clippers with the flat scissors in it. I do use scissors sometimes, but I just can't seem to find them anywhere, so I'm using my clippers and they work just as well. Shaping time. So I always start shaping from the bottom of the nail, getting rid of the additional nail tip that I did not cut off. Make sure it's a square to your liking, and then I do the side. So keep on watching and I'll show you how I do all 5. And it's all done. And now you're ready to apply your acrylic, your gel, and create your design. I absolutely love working with my Flexihand. If you guys want to know where I got it from, or you need more information regarding all the products that I'm using, please comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.